Today, our cook is pepperoni pizza pocket. That's right. And this is what we're going to make the pockets with. Look at that. There's a link to my Amazon store. It is in there. This thing is not expensive, and this is going to be fun. Be the first time that we've used this one right here, but it's in my store. Fixing to start off with some pizza crust, and it'll go in here. And here's those little things right here. Right here. See how they work? You put the pizza crust in there, and it's like a clam. And then we have Bertolli olive oil and garlic pizza sauce. We normally do not use pizza sauce, so this is a special one for us. And then we got our pepperoni, and we got our mozzarella cheese, and we got 2 eggs. And because we want this sucker to be pretty, on this one, this egg wash is going to be just the whites with a little bit of water added to it. All right, let's get the cook on. All right, so this is going to be the first one I show you because I kind of messed up on the first one. Anyway, I'm taking the excess off. I'm making sure it's completely over the little clam ends. Get a little bit more right there. Now, what I always do is make sure I know which way it folds. So I'm going to take this olive oil and garlic sauce, pizza sauce, and we're just going to put that sucker in there. I'm going to make one. Maddie's going to make one. We'll make a few more. We'll cook them. She's been snacking, of course. We'll show you. We'll show you what turns out. Alright, I got pepperoni. I'm going to go with one more right there. Alright, we're going to put a little mozzarella on there, like so. We're going to take some egg wash to seal the deal. Here we go. Let's see if it happens. Press. It comes out the back. You know, it's got a booty on it. Anyway, maybe I'm supposed to oil this thing. You know, if I oil it, think about it. If I oil it, it'll stay on one side. If I just oil one side. Alright. Look at that baby. Okay, we're going to hold both sides. Alright, do me a favor, open that up and put that parchment paper in there. Y'all, this is gourmet cooking at its finest.
Is it not going to catch on fire?
No. Okay. No. If it does, I'll call Booger. Alright, we're going to seal that right there. And we're going to take this egg wash and we're going to wash it with egg wash. There's no yellers in this one. Oh. Alright. So now we got this gourmet gourmet pizza. Oh yeah, it's not going to leak at all. And we're going to put this beautiful, beautiful looking thing right there. Which size are you going to use? That one? Alright, so Maddie's going to make one. Oh, here's the beautiful one I made earlier. Yeah, that's awesome. We're going to put that in there too. Oh, this is going to be fantastic, y'all. And then she's going to make hers. Oh, I think I'd take, yeah. You need to smush all that dough together. Alright, there's Maddie making hers. You know, you can sing, talk, whatever you want to do for the crowd up here. Are we recording? You know, we're mainly outdoor cooking, so we're outdoor cooking now, you know. We know how to cook with bugs, don't we? But the thing about it is, we do all kinds of cooks on here as we're waiting on Maddie to make hers. Don't take so long.
Yeah.
What the heck are you doing? Oh my. Oh yeah, that'll work perfect out in that thing. Yeah. You snorted. What are you snorting for? Why don't you take all that dough, put it together, make one big pizza thing, lay it on here, and it'll work. Oh, you see all the stuff that ain't on camera, y'all. All right, come on.
I don't
roll it
want
out.
it too thick.
Nope, huh?
I don't want it too thick.
Well, then keep working on it. Oh, we got a hole. Call NASA. Oh, are you trying to make the shape of Alaska? All right. Or Texas. Homer Simpson? I'm not sure. All right. She's working that dough. Just to let y'all know, we got 4 different cooks and videos coming up doing some kind of pie in the air fryer. Oh man, that's gonna leak as much as mine. It's horrible. We might get 7 views on this sucker. Get that thing out of your hair. I'm gonna try to get my hair longer than yours. I'm gonna call it COVID-19. All right. You got your thin enough? Remember which way the clam's floating. Man, why don't you put it on there and do that? Oh, y'all, these are going to be fantastic. Can't you tell? Y'all be sure and copy us exactly how we're doing this, okay? Go buy you one of these from my Amazon store and do this. Don't miss a step. You need to do it just like that. Look at that. That's fantastic looking. Man, she's got that sucker looking like awesome, don't she? Let's kind of zoom in to that little bit right there. Oh, that looks fantastic, Maddie. You were like an incredible chef. All right, fill in the holes. Let's see what this thing turns out to be. Oh my. While she's tearing up another pizza pocket, I'll tell you, check out our main channel. Check out Papa's Kitchen. I got playlists. You got air fryer. You got Z grills. You got soon to be Blackstone. You got flat griddles. You got Weber kettle. You got smokers. You got charcoal grill. You got gas grills. We got all kinds of stuff going on over here. This is not our normal forte. Is that a word, forte?
I don't know.
Yeah, you're too young to know what that is or not. Anyway, we're going to go with that word. You know what? I think it's a little thin there, and there. It's going to ooze out. You're not even over the clamshell. I think we're going to be able to tell which one hers is. Man, wait, you know which way your clam's going?
Yeah.
Like that. You got. Oh, y'all need to buy one of these. These are fantastic, man. I'm loving this. You got clam showing here and here and here. And I don't know about that right there. Come on. What are you now, 8? Huh? No?
11.
11? And you're in 4th grade?
5th.
5th grade? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're going to get this pizza thing. Yeah. Y'all, this is an incredible pizza pocket. You have got to make this. Do not skip
The tea.
Do not skip the cheese for sure, yeah. Do not skip a step or it'll turn out different. You want to do it just like this. Is that all the cheese you're going to put in it? Alright, let's shut that clam up. There we go. Move it over to one side and smush it down. You got some coming out the butt side too. You gonna pull any off or leave it on there? There you go. It's like playing with Play-Doh. Oh, we love this thing. Yeah. Might need to practice a few times. The other cooks we got, we're not using pizza dough. We got, Grand's biscuits. And we got some other kind of biscuits. We'll be trying those instead of the pizzas. Because we got fruit pies, we got meat pies, we got all kinds of pies. This is like a 4-part series. Well, that's a pizza empanada. Yeah. We might need to put some Earl on that thing. I think you're clamping in the middle. There you go. Like I said, do not miss a step. You have to do it exactly. Oh, you didn't even put egg wash in there to whatever. These things are going to be fantastic. All right. Take it out, and add some more and smush it on the end and get it down. We're gonna figure these things out. All right, get the bud out of there. All right, now you need to get the end, turn it up like a taco, and get the end to where the dough's touching each other and smush it together. You know, these things are going to leak all over the place. Sorry, people. This is supposed to be like a 3-minute video. It is what it is. You do want to stay around and see what these suckers turn out to be like, don't you? Ah, a pizza burrito. She turned the clam into a pizza. Yeah. All right, hang on. All right. Get her in there. Wait. Oh. All right. Lay her down in there. There you go. We're going to get set up and we'll get back with you. Alright, now, Maddie made one more. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cook it, the bottom on, the top on 3. It's in a pan without a flapper. It's not going to circle around or anything like that. It's got parchment paper down on it. We're going to go for, let's go for 4 minutes. Alright. At this time, no, they need to keep going. All right, we're going to go for 3 more minutes on 4 and the bottom on. I'm going to tell you this one thing about Papa's videos, cooking videos. I'm not a gourmet cooker, and I don't do all that fancy stuff. I'm your next door neighbor cooking outside, even on an air fryer. That's what I do. So you see my goods, my bags, and what happens. But I guarantee you, this stuff smells fantastic. I don't care how. We had a blast making it. We had the giggles and everything else. I had to cut a bunch of that out. But it was a good moment for Maddie and I, which is like, means a lot. But the good thing is the food's going to turn out. You know it's going to turn out. It was fun, but I show you. It's what can happen. And we were going to make 4 cooks today, 4 different kind of cooks. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to hold off and I'm going to try to learn a little bit more on how to use these clams. I got all the ingredients and I don't want them to go to waste, so I got to use them. We'll get those out there. We'll see how that goes. I might just go ahead and just make them tomorrow. I don't know. But that's all we got for you now. Papa cooking on Sundays, and on Wednesdays it's whatever Papa does, and you might see something else pop out too. Subscribe if you want more videos. There's our 2-minute mark. Alright, must have talked that long. So we're gonna go see what we got. Yeah, it's still, I mean, it feels done. It really does. But I'm trying to brown it. Not sure why it's not browning. We're gonna go one more minute and we'll be right back. Alright, we're gonna call this done. It feels done. We'll get it plated up and I'll come back to you. Maybe we'll get Maddie to taste test it. Check it out. Check it out. They actually smell them. They do smell good, don't they? Alright, so Maddie, we're going to give her a dissing. Let you try it. Are you in the camera? Really? So your mama gets one? You could eat those all day long? Tastes just like pizza. Pizza pocket. Yeah, we had a little trouble here, but we'll work on it, you know? We're gonna work on it. Alright, y'all? It's Papa, it's Maddie, it's Papa Texas. We'll see you next Sunday for another cook. And on Wednesday if you want to check that one out, but it probably won't be cooking now, will it? No! It's Papa. See you. God bless. Hit that bell! See y'all. Yeah.